Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use tomato on your face for skincare. This will be an easy way to get better skin fast and easily. So if you want to quickly and easily get better skin and care for your skin using a tomato like this is the video for you. Now essentially, there are 3 easy things that you can do with a tomato just like this to use it for skincare. And this is a cherry tomato, so it's a smaller version of a tomato. It's one that I'm very familiar with. Growing up in an Italian household, I had cherry tomato salads galore, okay? And we use tomatoes, like my parents still grow tomatoes in the garden and cherry tomatoes, galore. So I'm very familiar with tomatoes and, using them for every possible thing that you can use them for. And skincare is one thing. My mom actually has, and my dad, but my mom has incredible skin. And she, she looks like 15, 20 years younger than she is because she uses tomato on her skin quite often, okay? So I learned it from her, which is also why I look like I'm still a teenager. I'm just joking. I'm 35 at the time of filming this, and I'd like to think that I don't look 35 and I don't act 35. So, sometimes I'm a little bit childish, but it's all because of tomatoes. So anyways, let's get into this. First and foremost, you want to slice the tomato. You can't get really anything for your skin on the skin of the tomato. Skin to skin is not going to do anything for you with regards to the tomato skin on your skin. What will do something for you is the inside of the tomato. So I've sliced this cherry tomato in half and we're going to use it. Now, there are 3 ways to use it. The first way is to just rub it on your skin. So if you're just using it generally on a general area, like all of my cheeks, let's say, then you want to rub it on your skin. So I'd take this tomato and literally just rub the cut portion of it on my skin. Okay, and I'll tell you what this accomplishes later. But you want to rub it on your skin. That's the first method. It's good for covering a larger area of your skin. The second method is if you want to attack a small area, or tackle, I should say, not attack, but tackle a small area of your skin, which would be to just let it sit. So let's say there's a blemish right here and I want to take care of it. I would take the tomato and I would let it sit on that area. You can do this for a few minutes at a time on every blemish area that you want to tackle. That's the second method. And the third method is going to be to squeeze the juice out and to rub the juice on your face. So this would be if you have lots of tomato juices. You could squeeze the tomatoes. If you have a big tomato or many smaller cherry tomatoes, you could squeeze it out, get all the juice out of those tomatoes, rub it all over your face. And this is good if you want to have, if you want to tackle all of your skin on your face. Just generally, if you're not trying to spot, tackle places, you're just generally trying to do your entire face, that's probably your best option because it's going to give you the juice that you can spread easily. Now, what does this accomplish? Well, let's see. Let's take a bite. Let's eat this. It's a fresh tomato, okay? I cut a few of them from my fridge this morning. These are not homegrown. My wife got these from the grocery store the other day, but they're fresh. Just amazing. Okay, anyways, I love tomatoes. I could literally eat a tomato like an apple. I could just take a bite out of it. Then like 2, 3, 4, 5 a day, easily. No exaggeration. I have tomato on everything. When I make eggs and toast, I slice tomatoes, I put the tomatoes on top. I could just have tomatoes with everything. They're fantastic. So, what does this accomplish for your skin when you use one of those 3 methods? Well, essentially, it eliminates the excessive oils. You need oils on your skin. And when you clean your skin with soap, you are removing a lot of the oils. But when you use the skincare routine with tomatoes that I showed you and told you about, you're actually going to eliminate the excessive oils and you're going to leave the normal amount of oils that you should keep on your skin, which is great. In addition, it actually nullifies and regulates the pH levels of your skin. So just like, like when you're taking care of a pool, you have various pH levels that you need to maintain, or a certain pH level that you need to maintain the range of. When you use tomatoes on your skin, it's going to maintain the pH level of your skin, which is absolutely incredible. And it's going to keep your skin regulated. Yeah, it works really, really well. You don't need to do this every day. You can incorporate it into a pre-existing skincare routine, but I would recommend that you do this, somewhat often. Once every week, once every couple weeks is probably more than enough to keep your skin nice and regulated. Yeah, that's basically it. That's how to use tomatoes on your face for skincare. And you can also use it on any other piece of your skin as well. Hands, your head. Like I'm bald, right? So like I could use it up here. It's kind of up to you, but that's essentially it. That's how to use tomatoes for skincare. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.